Good morning, one and all. Today's assembly is brought to you by the students of class 11C, and the topic for today's assembly is Every Dark Cloud Has a Silver Lining, an ancient proverb filled with lots of optimistic vibes. We all face bad situations, yet we should focus on the good things in every negative phase. You can either have a hopeless end or you can have endless hope. The choice is yours. For those always expecting the best, success accompanies them along in the long run of life. With this, I want to call Shivansh for the opening shloka, followed by Avantika for the morning prayer.
ॐ सरस्वती नमस्तोभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा.
Good morning, everyone. Get ready for the English prayer. Be thou within me, Lord, to purify me, above me to draw me up, beneath me to sustain me, before me to lead me, behind me to restrain me, round about me to protect me. Thanks be to God.
Can put a great emphasis on your life. With this, I want to call Ananya Bajpai for a short story.
Good morning, everyone. Deepak was a very sad and disappointed young man. Ever since he met with an accident a few months earlier, he was confined to a wheelchair. His knee had been badly damaged and he required a number of surgeries to set it right. The doctors said that he would have to wait for another 2 months before he could attempt to walk. He was very low in confidence and often lost his temper. He was angry that he was unable to run and play around like the others. He was not interested in even meeting his friends. He wanted to be left alone. Deepak's parents were very worried about him. One day, one of Deepak's class teachers, Mrs. Rajam, visited him and gifted him a set of chessboard and coins. She also taught him the basic rules of the game and asked Deepak to play a few games every day. Deepak soon found himself getting totally engrossed in the game and began to win all the games that he played with his neighbors. Realizing that he had some talent, Deepak's parents decided to get him a coach who spent a few hours every day teaching him the nuisance of the game. Deepak forgot all about his health condition and practiced hard every day. His confidence level went up as he slowly started winning prizes at the local tournaments. He was soon his old cheerful self. In 6 months' time, Deepak participated in the state level championship and secured the second position and was selected to represent his state at the national championship. It was a very proud moment for Deepak, who then realized that the accident had indeed been a blessing in disguise. For if he had not been confined to a wheelchair, he would never have tried his hand at chess. Thanks to his teacher, Mrs. Rajam.
That was indeed a motivating story. Music brings hope and joy in the darkest of times. With this, I would like to call Khyati for an inducing song.
ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमेव वन्दनात् मृत्युर्मोक्षीयमामृता कहता ये पल खुद से निकल जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल गम मुसाफिर था जाने दे धूप आंगन में आने दे जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल जीते हैं चल तलवों के नीचे है ठंडी सी एक धरती कहती है आजा दौड़ेंगे यादों के बक्सों में जिंदा सी खुशबू है कहती है सब पीछे छोड़ेंगे उंगलियों से कल की रेत बहने दे आज और अभी में खुद को रहने दे ये पल खुद से निकल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल, जीते हैं चल.
Thank you so much, Khyati, for such a beautiful song. Now I would like to call upon Ipshita for a self-composed poem.
सुप्रभात। मैं आप सबके समक्ष अपनी स्वरचित कविता प्रस्तुत करने वाली हूँ, जिसका शीर्षक है आसमां। जहां भी रख दिया पांव, मंजिल वहीं चल पड़ी। डूबता है बसता है गांव, संघर्ष की चल रही घड़ी। यहाँ भ्रम की जगह नहीं, सच की परछाई का पड़ने न दो साया। दुख की यह वजह नहीं, भूलो नहीं हृदय की सब है माया। यह आग करेगी कमजोर, उठी यादों की चिंगारी से। इसकी लपटें हैं कठोर, बन जाओ प्रकाश तुम इस कठिन अंधियारे में। वह सुनहरी शाम, खुशियों का तामझाम, पुष्प लताओं का सुंदर हार, प्रेम भरी जिंदगी बेशुमार। भूल कर सब कुछ हम उठे, आगे बढ़े, शुरुआत करें दोबारा, मिले आशाएं उमंगे। जिंदगी के खेल में हार भी है और जीत भी। यह निर्भर करता है कि हम लड़े कैसे, कैसी वो जंग थी। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Ipshita, for such an inspirational poem. Now I would like to call upon Khyati for the thought of the day.
Good morning, everyone. The thought for today is every negative, hurtful, and challenging situation has a silver lining. Therein is the awakening of the soul.
Now I would like to call upon Avantika for a motivational speech.
Good morning, everyone. Today, Asika Shukla would like to throw some light with my speech on the topic Every Dark Cloud Has a Silver Lining. It is because of the darkest time that we shine the brightest. Darkness is a part of life, a backdrop for the star at night, the space between what you know. Darkness is a way of reminding you of the light. You don't need to burn the darkness with light. You don't need to replace negativity with positivity. You bring the darkness to the light like an offering. This means you honor what is first. You meet yourself where are you at before moving forward. Then you can bring the light to the places and situations where there is barely any left. You can give someone love, even though they are not acting with love. You can light another candle. You can handle hard things. Your mindset matters the most. And as topic for our assembly says that every dark cloud has a silver lining, open your eyes, focus, and find your silver lining. Everybody's life. Everyone is going through something or another. But the fact is this that every problem in our life is followed by the solution. And we just have to find it. If upsets us, we can gain hope and be sure that there is something good following that problem. And remember not to give up or blame our destiny. Life is a mixture of dark and light phases, which make you experience and develop positive attitude towards life. Hard times and hard work is the price which you make for our happiness in life. In the end, I would like to say there is darkness all around. It only silence, no sound. In the black, it look like that won't be day, but only night. But wait, soon will come the sun's ray, as after darkest of night is the brightest of day. Lead life with faith and hope, and then we can with tension cope. Think all tomorrow is shining, and that every dark cloud has a silver lining. Thank you.
Powerful message. Well said, Avantika.
Lord, you promise that when I seek you with all my heart, I will find you. I seek only after you. I ask you to still my troubled heart, calm my wayward mind, as I seek only after you. I'm never going to be able to figure this out on my own. And right now, I'm leaning heavily on you. I give you all my anxieties and fears I feel inside, and I release them all to you. I know you will grant forgiveness of my sins. I ask that you please so, as I am truly sorry for the wrong I have done in my life. I open up my life so that it becomes like an open book before you. Thanks be to God. Let's maintain 1 minute silence for the inner peace and well being of everyone.
I would like to request Archana Mishra ma'am to conclude the assembly.
Thank you, Ipshita. Good morning, everyone. Beautifully conducted assembly, children, and a very good topic which you chose for today. And every cloud has a silver lining, true. But it refers to the darkness that overpowers the glimmers of hope, children. In life, one faces situations with no hope left in sight. No matter how bad the situation might be, there is always light at the end of the tunnel. Always remember, children, no situation is permanent, no matter how bad it is today. Change is the only thing which is constant. So it is suitable for somebody who is experiencing a loss at the moment. It could be personal, it could be professional, anything. But there is a greater purpose in every difficulty if one sees the larger picture. Like Ananya sang, कहता है पल खुद से निकल. I would take it as, there is a solution to every problem. कहता है पल खुद से निकल talks about breaking comforting zones. Life is all about choices, children, and these choices we make. We can sit back and cry that everything, the situation is very grim, what to do, this, that, or we can be part of solution. We can think about what we can do to improve the situation. And these choices we make, children. Be involved in blame game that somebody did this to us or this happened because of this. No, we make these choices. We choose where do we stand. Are we with the problem or are we with the solution? So whenever anything such thing happens, first thing is that we need to keep training ourselves to be calm. We can think only when we are calm. And then we can think of solutions. Like Deepak's story, how beautifully it was put up. And then Ipshita said, Zindagi ke khel mein haar bhi hai, jeet bhi hai. These two words are, just the two sides of a coin. If we will not taste defeat, how will we know what is success? So it is very important, children, to make right choices with right attitude and be a part with this part of solution instead of problem. Dark clouds indicate rain also. The area becomes cloudy and dark, but it is also an indication that the next day the area will be a better place for life at sunrise. This cyclone is teaching, it's a series of cyclone, I would say. It is teaching us so much. One more life skill which it has added. We might be enjoying this pleasant morning, but this cyclone Yas has done what to those people who are sitting in Orissa? We know it very well, but the show must go on. If you see the news about Orissa, you will see that already this rescue work is going on and rehabilitation has begun. They didn't wait for even a minute, that when everything will be fine, then we will work. So sometimes things are too hard to bear. But if one look closely at those dark clouds, they can perhaps see the silver lining on the edges. And these silver lining is life, children, hope, which is the only strongest thing than the fear. So God bless you all, children, and always believe that there is a light at the end of the tunnel. No situation is permanent. Thank you, children.
So much, ma'am. Now I would like to call Garima for the ending shlok.
ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामय सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः